Have you ever felt frustrated in the workplace because you were unable to use your mobile phone or other communication apps? In some places like semiconductor factories or hospitals, they might not allow the use of mobile phones due to reasons like protecting trade secrets or avoiding interference with medical equipment. In such cases, they usually rely on traditional receivers, but the problem is that these receivers can only receive messages or calls and often cannot provide a timely response. The AT-100TR can solve the issues mentioned above. AT-100TR is a two-way alphanumeric pager that lets you send and receive messages. It's perfect for situations where you can't use your phone to communicate. With this device, you can effortlessly exchange information and stay connected. AT-100TR offers 3 message transmission modes, including edit message, canned message, and sticker. These options allow for quicker delivery of intended content to the recipient. The watch pager WP100 can also receive sticker messages. You can consider it as a supplementary receiver. Moreover, by pairing AT-100TR with RP100G, messages sent by AT-100TR can be forwarded to mobile phones or emails, enabling flexible usage by recipients with communication devices. Get in touch with us now for more information about our AT-100TR.